Yes, it's Charlie Golf Alpha Kilo Echo at the Millionaire. I would like to taxi for a run-up.
Charlie Golf Alpha Kilo Echo Westchester Tower, roger. Information Tango's current. You can go behind the outbound Pilatus to runway 16, taxi Kilo Charlie, and hold short of runway 11.
Taxi Kilo Charlie, or short of runway 11 Alpha Kilo Echo.
Charlie Alpha Golf Kilo Echo. Stand by. Charlie Golf Alpha Kilo Echo, just be advised, I'm going to have to take you to the other runway. So stay with me, and I'm going to have to taxi you to the other runway, to runway 16.
Yes, just pass through Charlie Alpha Kilo Echo.
Charlie Golf Alpha Kilo Echo, traffic on a 2-mile final, make the right turn, runway 11, left Charlie, Lima to runway 16. Charlie Golf Alpha Kilo Echo, Westchester ground, make the right turn, runway 11, begin taxiing, right turn, runway 11, left Charlie, Lima, runway 16.
Kilo Echo, we taxi on runway 11, then left turn on Charlie, Lima and 16 Alpha Kilo Echo. We'll stop for a run-up before Lima Alpha Kilo Echo.
Charlie Golf Alpha Kilo Echo, are you number 1 at runway 11 right now?
No, Charlie Golf Alpha Kilo Echo is just beyond Victor Tango.
Right, Alpha Kilo Echo, make the 180 and make the left turn, Charlie, hold short, runway 11.
What Kilo will do 180.
Charlie Golf Alpha Kilo Echo, cross runway 11 at Charlie, left Lima to runway 16. You can pull into the pad at the end for a run-up if you need.
Kilo Echo, cross runway 11, Charlie, Lima, we stop on the run-up.
Charlie Golf Alpha Kilo Echo, Westchester ground, can you help me understand what you're doing there?
Kilo Echo, we're ready to taxi.
Okay, safe position.
Kilo Echo, staying position.
Safe position, where are you? You appear to be in the Charlie pad that is closed. If you check the ATIS, the Charlie pad is closed, and I told you Charlie Lima to runway 16 at the end of taxiway Lima, pull into the run-up pad. You failed to go to runway 16 originally, you went to runway 11, now you're not going to the pad. Charlie Golf Alpha Kilo Echo. Are you ready to taxi Charlie, Lima to runway 16 and pull into the taxiway Lima run-up pad that is not closed on the ATIS and start complying with instructions?
Charlie Golf Alpha Kilo Echo, affirmative.
Outstanding. Start moving.
Moving now, Charlie Golf Alpha Kilo Echo.
Charlie Golf Alpha Kilo Echo, are you ready for departure? Taxi up to Old Short runway 16, otherwise pull into the run-up pad.
993 runway, he's not moving.
Doing the best I can with that guy, sorry.
No problem.
Charlie Golf Alpha Kilo Echo, Westchester Tower, runway 16, line up and wait.
Line up and wait, runway 16, Charlie Golf Alpha Kilo Echo.
Charlie Golf Alpha Kilo Echo, wind 180 at 12, gust 19, runway 16, clear takeoff.
Takeoff runway 16, Golf Alpha Kilo Echo.